I was stuck on you. A stupid thing to do. It was almost perfect. You almost told the truth. I needed you to know it was real for me. You have one foot out the door so casually, and let the feeling go, let the feeling change. It was almost right, but I can't live this way. I waited just for you. I waited and you knew I got bigger things in store, but I don't think you know.